All right, it's time to talk about Algorand in this video, guys. Rank number 41 on the big board. Algorand, one of my favorite cryptocurrencies in terms of altcoins that are long-term holds for me in my portfolio. Of course, none of this is ever financial advice, only for entertainment purposes only, but there are a number of reasons why I love Algorand. And right now, I think the price just dropping significantly. Anytime it's under 20 cents, it's very attractive. Right now, it's under 17 cents, which really intriguing to me at 16 cents and some change right here. Market cap still above 1 billion. It's actually right in the range of Pepe's market cap. But Algorand has a new partnership that I wanted to explain to you and talk about in this video. And it's a game-changing partnership. And what this means for algo investors, we're going to dive into it in this video, guys. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Happy start to the new week. Algorand, the new partnership for crypto. So let's dive in. Of course, Algorand is a layer 1 blockchain focused on environmental sustainability and scalable transaction execution. They've announced a strategic partnership with On-Ramp Money. This, a leading provider of fiat crypto solutions to simplify the user experience for Indian users in the Web3 world. India just became the most populated country in the world, by the way. With this alliance between the two parties, the Indian population will finally be able to purchase Algo coin and many other cryptocurrencies using fiat. Algorand's foundation is also moving towards using its technology for charitable purposes to facilitate the flow of goods and capital to the American areas most affected by environmental disasters. Let's take a look at the details of this latest news. Algorand and crypto partnership with On-Ramp Money, corporate social responsibility of the Algo Foundation, and a technical analysis of Algo crypto right now. All of this we're going to dive into in this rest of this article. So this partnership was announced on May 2nd, again, to make crypto more accessible to the Indian population. It's estimated that India, which is expected to overtake China as the most populous country this year, by the way, that's already happened, it will be a target market for blockchain and crypto in the coming years. Now, the technological barriers and complexities of DeFi, though, hold a lot of people back from getting in. We know this, right? Happens everywhere. The integration with Algorand's On-Ramp Money, an open source blockchain focused on scalability and the concept of carbon neutrality, will simplify the experience for all Indian users looking to purchase the Algo coin and other cryptos on the market. The Indian payment system, UPI, developed by the National Payments Corporation of India, will be integrated into the Algorand ecosystem to facilitate these fiat to crypto transactions. This is major for Algorand. Huge news, because they're at the cutting edge, at the forefront of a huge shift in DeFi, making it super easy with these on-ramps. Now, Indians can now buy USDC over Algorand using local payment methods, UPI and IMPS. And the India country head at Algorand Foundation shared his views on this partnership. India has played a back office role in the development of Web 2 solutions, but we see the country as an innovation hub for the future of Web 3. To get there, we need to provide an easy-to-use on-ramp for Web 3, which is why we are excited about our partnership with On-Ramp. Initiatives like this will help bring new technologies to ordinary people, driving deeper adoption of blockchain and democratizing access to both capital and markets. In the future, we'll see if this collaboration proves successful, but I think this is massive for Algorand, linking up with India here in this case as they are getting ready for big-time Web3 adoption. And Layer 1 Algorand aims to spread its carbon-neutral blockchain infrastructure more and more, offering its background to facilitate the exchange of resources within the planet. We know that the proof-of-stake protocol is something very popular now. A lot of people shifting away from proof of work to proof of stake. And, of course, just a few days ago, a new wallet was launched. It says, we're excited to announce the launch of Care Survivor Wallet. With funding from Red Cross, this platform uses Algorand to facilitate and expedite delivery of critical goods to families in disaster-stricken areas. So a lot of things happening right now within the Algorand Foundation, and I think this is very bullish for the long-term outlook of Algo. Now, again, we can get trapped looking at short-term price action, but when you're reading these type of news articles, and this is why I bring this news to you guys all the time, because we go beyond the charts here, right? Yes, it's important to look at the charts. Yes, it's important to look at TA, but I am much more concerned with the macro environments, the fundamental analysis, the news surrounding these cryptocurrencies that will propel them in the future. That to me, as a long-term investor, means more than just the short-term price action and price targets. Now, of course, those are all important, especially if you're trading on a day time frame or even weekly time frame or looking to swing trade, right? But Algorand for me, personally, is a long-term investment. So I want to just make sure that they continue to put their best foot forward. And these type of big partnerships show me and give me confidence in my Algorand investment. So hopefully you got some value out of this video. I really appreciate you guys for stopping back by the channel. Let me know if you did by smashing the like button, subscribing right here to this channel. Let's push this up in the old YouTube algorithm by doing those sort of things. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any content, guys. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.